Now I am going to show carrot smoothie for cancer, autoimmune disorder and obesity patients. So wherein this carrot smoothie can be taken as a breakfast after flax diet as a second course. It's having a rich minerals, proteins and vitamins, etc. And also once you take this 2 to 3 hours, you don't feel to have lunch, because in this process 100% one has to follow uncooked diet for changing acidic nature into alkaline nature in the body, and what I am calling is a monkey diet. You see the ingredients, you cannot imagine: fig, apricot, dates, grated carrot, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds, cashew nuts, roasted peanuts. So all these things has to be mixed together with half a cup of water and get it pasted in a mixer, and you will really enjoy it. Now I am going to mix all these ingredients. Fig, 1 fig chopped 1, and 1 apricot chopped 1, and dates, big dates 2, small if it is a 4 to 5. Now I have taken 2 big dates chopped 1, and this one soaked cashew nuts 10, and soaked almond 10, and 1 tablespoon soaked pumpkin seeds, 1 tablespoon soaked sunflower seeds, and 1 tablespoon roasted peanuts, and grated 1 carrot, grated 1, and add water half cup. This is carrot smoothie. This is carrot smoothie, very delicious and highly nutritious, and it has to be taken, as I have told you, as a breakfast.